It's our lucky day. We get to color a page out of Saucer Coloring Magazine. This coloring book only features the most affluent beings in the universe. These wealthy and well-dressed aliens are waiting for us to add some life to them. So that's what we'll do today with this handsome model. Get your colored pencil ready if you're following along, and let's get started. I start by coloring in my background. I don't press hard because I want the walls and windows to look realistic. I add some green in the window to simulate nature outside and follow it up with a very light yellow. For the walls, I use a light blue, but a light shade of brown also works well. You can really experiment and find which colors work best for you. Let's make this couch a classic red leather color. Since this alien is in an upscale life pod, we have to make it posh. These pants are going to be a classic Neptune blue. When it comes to coloring clothes, I've learned to use multiple shades of the same color. As you can see with our knitted sweater, I color in all the shadow areas with a darker red. Then I color in the rest with my pink pencil and blend it all together to give it that realistic look. You may also notice that I used a little bit of yellow to touch the highlights on our sweater. This gives the appearance of light coming in from the windows. The more little details I add, the more natural this portrait will look. This alien race has hands that fuse together. So for the skin color, I'm going to use a combination of orange, green, and blue. I'm hitting the highlights with a yellow pencil to give the illusion of window light. Then I lay down orange and green for all of the midtones. I'll finish up with blue in the shadows. Once all my colors are down, I switch to my blending stump to gently blend it all together. This is why I love using pastel pencils. It really lets me push these colors. As I wrap up the blending, I can't help but admire how well this turned out. It's pretty incredible what you can do in about 45 minutes. This page was a great way for me to decompress from the day, and I hope you feel a little more relaxed as well. If you'd like to help our channel grow, tell a friend about us and be sure to check the description for all of the details of this episode. Thank you for watching.